In this video, we will be using eBay and Alibaba to generate niche ideas. eBay and Alibaba are really big e-commerce sites, and you can use them to generate niche ideas just as we did with Amazon. With very few exceptions, anything you can find on eBay will also be selling on Amazon. Let's discuss eBay now. There are so many categories listed on the home page. You see makeup sets here, fashion, shoes, handbags, watches, gifts, furniture. There are so many ideas you can get just by looking at the home page. Clicking on any of these will take you deeper into the category, and you will see individual products you can promote. Take a look at the menu at the top of the page. There are several broad categories listed. Click on any one to dig deeper. Let's click on motors. The left navigation bar has subcategories, and you can see several accessories here: tires, brakes, suspension, lights, motorcycle parts. Let's click on motorcycle parts. As you can see, there are millions of individual parts here. On the left, you see several subcategories. You can easily build several niche sites around any one of these subcategories. This works the same way for just about any category of products you want to look at. Let's go back to the home page, and now let's select fashion. On the left are listed several subcategories. You can choose any to dig deeper into the subcategory. Hover the mouse cursor on shoes and you will see this menu that comes up. Let's select women's shoes. You see so many niche ideas here. Click on heels, and as you can see, there are more than 2 million individual products. You can easily build several sites just around women's shoes. There is just so much stuff you can sell on your niche sites here. Now, some of these products may be unique to eBay and you may not be able to find them on Amazon. But that's not what we are interested in. We are doing this to generate niche ideas, and Amazon will have products in just about any niche that you find on eBay. For instance, if you are not able to find this particular product or any of these particular products here on Amazon, if Amazon does not carry any of these particular products, you can still search Amazon for the broad niche we were looking at here, which is women's heels. Let's check Amazon for women's heels. As you can see, Amazon has more than 300,000 products in this category. What we are trying to do here is generate niche ideas, and women's heels is a possible niche. We are not interested in individual products right now. That will come later. Similarly, Alibaba.com can be a great source of niche ideas. You can see a partial list of categories on the home page, and clicking on this link will open up another page with a more complete list. Beside each category, you can see the number of products listed in that category, and by clicking on View More, you will be able to see the complete list of all subcategories within each category. You can easily build several niche sites around any one of these subcategories. You can use just about any big e-commerce site to generate niche ideas this way.